Hi, I'm Rob Jones, and let's spend a few minutes having a look at what's new in streaming analytics in Cumulocity in Q3 2024. So, starting with Analytics Builder, if you make use of the expression block, you've now got a slightly easier way to combine the inputs and the expression you're creating when that expression uses different data types. So you can now combine strings, textual items, and numeric items like floats, which can represent the incoming measurements. You can combine those easily in one line to make the message that goes as part of the output from that block. Previously, you had to use a conversion function on anything that wasn't a string to convert it into a string. So we've just made it just a little bit simpler to write that expression. Staying with Analytics Builder, the next item is that the counter blocks have been enhanced. So if you use counter blocks to determine that you only do a certain operation a fixed number of times, well, you can now change the behavior of that repeated operation using the counter block so the operation stops after a limit has been reached, or that the operation resets and therefore loops around to repeat the operation a fixed number of times. So you could wait for 10 measurements to come in, and then you could send an update message and then do the same operation again, counting to 10 using this block. And you can use this behavior whether you're counting the total number of items that have come in, or whether you're counting the items of the same value, the same number. So it's just a nice usability enhancement to the counter block. And then finally, for streaming analytics in this quarter, we've had a focus on improving the usability of the applications, and you can now use breadcrumbs at the top of the streaming analytics apps to navigate around the streaming analytics app as a whole. So you can see that you can click on those breadcrumb elements to navigate quickly to your model view or to individual models, etc. And that has a nice benefit, because as a part of this work, we can now show the model name or the app name for an EPL app in your bookmarks section of the user menu. So on the right drawer menu under the bookmark section, you could previously create bookmarks, and now you can those bookmarks show you the actual name of the item you've created, rather than just showing you the name streaming analytics. So that makes using the bookmarks and creating those bookmarks just a bit more useful and straightforward. And that is it for streaming analytics this quarter.